Hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Workcode Expert, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Edmodo app for online classes. Now this happens a lot if you want to join a class. Maybe you want your children or your child to join an online class and you're thinking of the ways through which you can access the class. Then this is very easy and it's going to be straightforward for you. So stick with me and let me take you through how you can join a class in Edmodo. So the first thing you have to do is that you need to go to Play Store or your App Store to download the Edmodo app. So right here I'm on my Play Store and I'm going to just search for Edmodo. So here it is. Tap on it. Alright, so here is the application, and as you can see I already have it installed. So you see it has 10 million plus downloads. It's very easy. All you have to do is just click on install, and if you're using Play Store, just go straight to your Play Store. If you're using App Store, just go straight to your App Store and download. Alright. So now once you're done downloading, you have to click on it to open. Alright, so I already have it installed, so I'm gonna click on it to open. So it's already open here. Then you have to create a free account since you do not have an account yet. If you have an account, you just click here to log in. But here I'm just going to click on create free account. Now if you're a teacher or a student, right here we're serving as a student here because we want to join a class. So you're gonna select your region. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm gonna select Nigeria here. You can select your country. Click on next. Then you have to join your class or your school on Edmodo. Like you have to join the class that you want to enroll for. All right. So you need to have the code of the class. The teacher will already send you the code. Here I'm just gonna use this as an example. Here's the code here. So I'm gonna click on next. Since I do not have an Edmodo account yet, I'll just quickly sign up for an account. Alright. So I already input my details and I've created a free account. But before I move further, please just use 1 second to smash the subscribe button below just like this, because it motivates me to create more awesome videos like this just for you. And as you can see, the subscription is already added. So let me give you 1 second to do that. Thank you very much. Now let's go over to the video. So we have to check our email for verification. So let me do that quickly. So here is the email sent to me. So I have to click on confirm my email. Alright. So I'm going to click on just once. So it's going to confirm. Now you can see that my email has been verified successfully. Then I'm going to click on next. So you're going to need to input your name here. Then click on next. Then you can easily secure your account here by using the account safety, but you can just either notify by phone or by email, but I'm gonna skip this for now. So once you're in your dashboard, here is how your profile is gonna look, and as you can see below here, you can see all the stuff that you can use to easily become a student on Edmodo. Alright, but let's say you have a class that you want to join. You just tap on my classes and just tap here. Alright, so once you tap here, you can see that there is no class currently because I'm not a student, so All you have to do is just tap on join a class, or you can tap this plus icon and you'll input the class code. Now to get a class code, you need to get it from your teacher. Alright, that's where you get the class code, where you can easily join the class. And once you input the code, you can join and you'll be good to go. Alright, so these are the easy processes, and these are you can easily join a class and make use of Edmodo for your online classes. Alright, so I believe this video is very helpful, guys. If it is, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, because it is free and it motivates me to create more awesome videos like this just for you guys. Take care of yourself, friend. Bye.